Hello teachers! When you come to Vietnam to apply for your teaching position, you're going to want to submit your resume, your photograph, your TEFL certificates, and your degree or diploma. This is going to be the start of your process to applying for teaching jobs in Vietnam. But is this enough to capture the attention and impress your potential employers? Today, I'm going to tell you how making a self-introduction video is a good way to earn extra brownie points with your employer and to stand out from the crowd. It's going to give the company a chance to hear your speaking voice with some clarity, and it's also going to show them that you're qualified for the position vacancy. Okay, easy! What should be mentioned in your self-introduction video? All of the standards: your full name, your age, your nationality, your personality, your educational background, your past experience with teaching, and then explain why you would love teaching in Vietnam. Let me tell you how to prepare for a self-introduction video. Let's talk about how to prepare for a self-introduction video. A first good rule of thumb is do not read it off paper like you're reading a speech. Practice makes perfect. Write down what you want to say a few times, practice in the mirror, practice on camera with a couple of videos, and remember, you do not have to submit your first take. I know that it can be a little nerve-wracking to talk to camera, so just do it a few times until you feel comfortable, you'll get the hang of it, and it will come across more natural. Another tip is to speak clearly, but not too fast. The recruiters that are watching your video might not have the best English, so it'll be good for them and advantageous for you to take your time when speaking to them, using simple, basic English to help them understand what you are all about. You should consider dressing like it's a job interview or an online class. They are just watching a video where you might be filming at your house or somewhere close by, but showing them that you can dress for success will keep you ahead of the game. You'll feel confident if you choose to wear something that you like and that you feel comfortable in. Keep smiling. Smiling right at the beginning of the video is going to show the interviewer that you are friendly and enthusiastic about teaching. Smiling on the camera helps the viewer relax, so make sure that you practice in front of the mirror so that it's not forced or tense in your smile. And don't forget to brush your teeth. Something important to consider is recording your video in a quiet place. Your microphone is going to pick up all of the background noise, the traffic, the construction, the bun bao delivery guy. It will play it all for the hearer, and you just want them to be able to focus and hear very clearly your accent and English speaking skill. And again, just to circle back, another tip is to record several trial versions of your video. It's going to be about 2 to 3 minutes in length, so it doesn't take too much time to record a sample, kind of analyze your own body language, your voice, how you sound and appear on camera, and then fix your mistakes for a final edit. Clean your room. A tidy room will show that you're an organized person. You don't want a messy background in your video. It's distracting and keeps the viewer from being able to focus on what they're really after, hearing your voice, catching your appearance, and exploring your personality on camera. The last suggestion I would make is the quality of your video. Natural light is going to be the best for recording. You can use your smartphone, you can use your tablet, you can even use the camera on your PC. But just pay attention to the quality and especially the lighting and your background noise. Once your video is complete and you are satisfied and ready to send to your recruiter, uploading is your next challenge. Now, Gmail allows you to send maybe 25 megabytes in a file. Microsoft allows maybe 10 megabytes per file. Your video will be larger than both of these. So I would recommend that you upload it at a good time and that you're not taking this too seriously. Stay classy, teachers. Bye-bye.